Hi friends, we have left from Bangalore to Goa road trip via Tumkur, and this is the second toll which we had came across, and the first toll was of 20 rupees. Now this is the second toll which is of 18 rupees. I don't know why they are taking 10 rupees every 10 kilometers, but we'll keep posting you, and we'll get back to you on the next. The road is pretty good, but the traffic is too high. We had left it around in the morning 5:30, and it is now 7:05, almost 1.5 hours, and we had only reached around 45 kilometers. We'll keep updating you, and we'll let you know the road condition. Thank you. Hello friends, we have crossed 121 kilometers. It's 8:40 now, and there are around 4 tolls. The last one was the penultimate was around 18 rupees, and third one, that is, and the fourth one is of 75 rupees. Now total 4 toll in 121 kilometers. The road is pretty good and straight. We had less of a traffic, as we had a lot of traffic in the city side. We'll keep you updating, but yes, still we have some traffic, and driving is you need to take care of traffic because they might jump from any of the sides. So we'll keep you posting. The road is good. Thanks. Hi friends, we crossed around half an hour another toll of 60 rupees. So total 5 tolls in around 220 kilometers, and I don't know how many more tolls are there. And now the road is 2-track lane. They were earlier, before the windmills were there, a lot of very beautiful. You can take pictures, and it's really beautiful to drive through. And this is the 2-track lane, but it is very good. And you can go around 100 at 80 to 100 at this road, and we'll post you further. And it's around now 10 a.m. That's all friends, thank you. Hi friends, we have just crossed Ibalu, and it is 10:30 now. We have total crossed 258 kilometers. There is a toll at Ibalu which is around 75 rupees. So I just forgot how many tolls are there, because, and the guy said that there are 2 to 3 more tolls till Goa, and approximately 6-7 tolls we had crossed. I'll let you know total how many tolls are there. The road condition is still the same. It's very good, and very beautiful scenery everywhere. As you can see, there are coconut plantations everywhere around, and it is pretty good, and nice weekend. And I'll update you again when we have another toll. Thanks friend. Hi friends, there is another toll. Time is 11:28, and we have crossed 311 kilometers. The toll cost is 100 rupees. It's continuously increasing. I don't know why. And the road condition is a little bit shaking, and okay, it's very good. Still very good condition. Continuously, we had kept a car at around 100, and no problem. Not much of a traffic on the tolls even. And weather is awesome. As you can see throughout the recording, it has been a rainy weather sort of conditions, and we'll post you at the next toll. Thank you friends. Hi friends, after the last toll, which was the Hooghly, so we turned on the left hand side, and this is a road through Sirsi. It is a single lane, and there is no board on the road where to go for Goa or anything else, and all the signboards are on in Kannada. So I am trusting Google, and the guy right in front of me is taking me to somewhere near Sirsi or something, he said. So I'm just following that guy. I don't know. Google is trusting Google, and this guy. 2 options are there for me. So I am driving very slowly with him, and still 200 kilometers are left. I'll go through Carver. There is a route for Palolem, so I'll be going through this route. One important thing is that I had a word with CCD at the back. They told that there is no route double lane throughout from you could say that Hubli highway till Goa, there is no double lane. It is all single lane. So I preferred this route, and I'll keep you posting. It's still 200 kilometers and it is going to be 1 p.m. We had taken stops around 1.5 hours for exactly knowing, because there are no boards, which location and how to reach. So we are stuck here also with little bit of pets, and we'll update you soon. Thank you, friends. Bye. Hi friends, now we have taken the route direct to Karwar. It is through Mundgod, and it is just, as you can see, the lane. It was a little bit bad behind. So, and we still have to go around 180 kilometers, and you can see the condition of this road. So on Google it is showing the shortest route and the fastest route, which will another take 4 hours for us to reach to Paloliam, and we'll keep posting if any changes are in the route. But it is very, you could say, a different type of route. All villages are on the both sides as compared to earlier before, and it is also very good, beautiful, and as you know, India is the most beautiful place in the world, and I love it. I love to drive, and I'll keep posting you soon if there is any other conditional changes on the roads, or I'll let you know. Keep updating. Thank you. Hi friends, Mundhawk is now, we have left it behind. Mundgod is left behind. Now this road is even thinner. If another car comes, then we need to get a side, and you can see that all the both sides are tucked up because of the thin road, and we cannot overtake so we should please avoid this road in night times. And there is this is completely jungle on both the sides, as you can see. On the left hand side also it is completely jungle. Thanks friend, I'll be keep updating you. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Hubli Kawar road, and it is proper national NH63. In Google it will show NH50 something, 55, and this is better road. We actually came from Yalanpur, that is you could say shortcut, but it is good road, and you can see it's very smooth, and we are going down the sea level, and we'll go through Kawar to Paloliam beach. This is the route we selected, and now Google is showing us correctly that, so you just follow Hubli to Kawar, you will get this road. If you go in between to others through Sirsi or Mundgod, then you will have those two jungle roads. Else this is a good road, you can try this, and we'll be reaching in another 2 hours. Probably 100 kilometers approximately is left now, and we'll update you soon. Thank you. Hi friends, now we are on the Bangalore and Kawar highway, and you can see the hills are still there, and the road has been widening, some sort of road widening work is in progress. Still a lot of time will it take to get it done, and still we have the single lane from Kawar, and we'll update you once we reach the beach of Kawar. Thank you. Guys, we have reached Kawar finally, and this is the sea, Kawar beach, and it's very pleasant weather. You can see boats, and there is an island over there, and right now it's time around 3:45, and we have reached Goa. Thanks friend, thanks for staying with me and watching my videos. Keep connected. Thank you.